Okay, so in this PPC account management optimization training, we're gonna go through another one of our niches that we have a lot of clients in, and that's the cash for junk cars. It's like cash for junk cars. We buy junk cars, sell my junk car, and you can see here 51 leads in a week, pretty much. So set your correct schedule when you come in to optimize, and you'll see here there's 51 leads at a cost per lead of $7. Now it wildly varies, right? So not all markets are the same. So while this client does get 50 leads a week at $7 a lead, other junk car clients could get 25 to 30 leads a week at $30, right? Or $25 or 20. So it varies a lot. So it could be anywhere from $5 a lead up to like 33, and we don't want leads higher than $33. So if you're seeing a junk car client that's getting leads for over $33, then you got to switch the bidding strategy, set a target CPA for like $32, and just let the Google's algorithm do all the bidding to get that CPL down, because it's not profitable for them after $33. So that's just important to understand. All right, if we go into the campaign, first thing we'll do is we'll check the devices, make sure everything's running smooth. So we got some room to run here. Impression share for the top is 63% for phones and 47% for desktop computers. So desktop is converting at 66% with $5 leads. So I would pump that up, 5% increase in bid adjustment. Go into advanced bid adjustment, 12 interactions, 9 leads, $10 a lead. So there's room to grow there. I would pump that up to 28. Now, the reason I'm doing 28, not 30, is because it's already $10 a lead, and this client's average cost per lead is like $7 something cents. So I don't want to push it too much higher, but I want to get a little bit more. If I can squeeze another lead a week out of there, that's a win. Next, we'll go into keywords, search terms. So for the junk car, the keywords are so on point. There's not really much you can do to add negative keywords on a weekly basis. So you got to start. I usually start from the bottom and work my way up, and just see if there's any brand keywords in here or any kind of competitor names or something like that. So you can see all these keywords are pretty on point. Who junk cars near me? Who scraps cars near me? Who buys scrap cars? Tow cars for cash. Salvage car buyers. So there's not really too much to do when it comes to negative keywords for this niche. But sometimes you will come through here and see a competitor name. All right, so if you come through here and you look through the keywords, you don't really see any negatives that you can add. Another thing we'll do is we will add keywords. Now, there's a few things, though, this is really important with junk cars, and it's something that you have to take your time and make sure you're doing correctly. So you'll see here the suggested keyword, the search term. If it doesn't say added, we're currently not bidding on it. And this is the ad group it's going to go in if you add it. So you have to make sure if you're adding keywords that they're going to the correct ad group. So cash for cars is a great keyword. Cash for junk cars is where it should go, right? Scrap cars for cash. Cash for junk cars. So we might want to actually put that in a different ad group. So we don't want to do that for now. So we'll skip that. But here's another example. Can you junk a car without a title? And it's telling us that keyword should go into who buys junk cars. That's not where we should put that keyword. Can you junk a car without a title? I would put it under cash for junk cars. Junk a car with no title near me. Again, I would put that in cash for junk cars. And every keyword. So you know what? Honestly, I would stay away from adding anything more than one keyword, right? If you're in the junk car niche and you're gonna have to add keywords, I would just do one a week, right? Because these accounts are really dialed in. They don't really need that much work. So, and when you're adding keywords, this is how you do it, right? So we have our keyword. It matches the ad group it should go in. Cash for junk cars. Cash for cars. Cash for junk cars. Add keyword. Really important. We're adding keywords as exact match only, okay? So put brackets around that, hit save. And that's it. Then we'll go into recommendations. And we'll start making all of our dismissals. And cutting all these loose because we don't want any of this stuff. So to recap, cash for junk cars niche. Average cost per lead we're looking for is anywhere from $5 to $33. Obviously, $33 is the highest end. We don't want leads over that. Volume-wise, anywhere from it depends on the market. So it really could be anywhere from 15 to 50 plus leads a week is what we need to be at. Ideally, more volume the better. And if you're adding keywords, remember, one keyword a week if you're going to add them. If you can't find negatives, we're going to add a keyword. Make sure it's exact match when you add it and make sure it goes into the correct ad group.